What is the meaning of that you have said? What do you mean by that?
Papa, maybe we should not be doing this, and that is why.
Doing what? Do you know how much I paid that Benita to come and do what she has come to do?
But what's wrong?
What's wrong? If you had not brought that ancient of days into this very compound, we will be standing here discussing this nonsense.
Papa, you know start to be saying, my anaconda no start work.
No. You don't have to say these things. Look at Poppy. You anaconda no good. Look, it has to be hard starting. You know? Any vehicle that has started, be patient enough, start again. You know?
Papa, even the Olocho you brought to me, tried everything, all our Olocho tactics, it still did not work. Okay, everything Chinasa. Do you want to blame it on Chinasa again?
Look, I have to...
You open a Chinasa, you open a Chinasa.
Motor when no start, we'll go push her.